Hello everyone. Today I will explain you the rest part of chapter 1 History. In last part you learn about the colonial period when the Britishers established their business in India and the modern period started. Now how can we study the medieval period, modern period? We have already know that how we get the information about the word history in the earlier classes. We study about the sources of history, but the source for the studying the modern period of India history are varied. The first one is the administrative source. These are the written record of British rule in India prepared by the administrators, officers and the historians. These are of two types, official record and the survey record. ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स व स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द मुग़ल कल्चर। जब मुग़लों ने भारत पर शासन करना शुरू किया उसी समय से राज्य में संबंधित कागज़ तैयार होने लगे थे, लेकिन वे सभी व्यवस्थित ढंग से नहीं थे। ब्रिटिशर्स ने उन्हें प्रॉपरली अरेंज किया। एवरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिसीजन वाज रिकॉर्डेड एंड केयरफुली प्रिजर्व। हर एक फैसला जो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेटिव या न्याय परिषद द्वारा होता था उसे रिकॉर्ड बनाकर रखा जाता था। After that, in the 19th century, all the documents were carefully copied. क्योंकि उस समय तकनीकी व्यवस्था नहीं थी, इसीलिए रिकॉर्ड्स को दोबारा लिखा जाता था और जो लिखता था उसे कैलीग्राफर्स बोला जाता था। After that, many printing press were established to print that record. Now, the survey records. Britishers began the practice of conducting the surveys. The surveys were done in the villages revenue survey. यानी गांव में लगान वसूल करने के लिए सर्वे या निरीक्षण किया जाता था, जिससे गांव की खेतों की फसल, मिट्टी, जानकारी आदि के बारे में पता लगाया जा सके। उन्हीं सर्वे का रिकॉर्ड बनाकर रखा जाता था। फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द 19th century, these operations were held every 10 years. The survey was also on of population. A census official count of survey was first time done in 1872. Then, indigenous records. Indigenous record. After the invention of paper, people start up one step forward. Everyone want to be in the field of education. The different novels, biography, magazine, newspaper, letters were written by the people. The famous among them are the Siyar-ul-Mutaakhirin by the Ghulam Hasan Tatabai. There were many newsletters and in Marathi and the Persian languages. The time was the new changes. Many leaders, social workers spread their ideas through these printing press. And this is the shortcut way to express your ideas for the people. Some as film, photographs, videos, poetry are also very famous in that time. They are the main source of the records. Then the architecture. Sources that there were many famous buildings and the monuments built by the Mughals. But in the modern era, when the Britishers established their kingdom, they also built some famous buildings. As example, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Connaught Place, all these buildings are built by Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. The famous New Delhi is also established by them. Now, our chapter explanation is completed. Your homework is that you have to do all these exercises in your notebook and I will give you the question answer in the next video. Thank you.